Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to schedule driving test on Texas DPS. Before booking your driving test, make sure you've completed your license application online through the Texas DPS website. Once done, log in to the Texas DPS online scheduling portal using your application details. Select Driving Test, enter your personal information, and choose a nearby location with an available date and time slot. Appointments can be scheduled up to 180 days in advance, and new slots may appear around 4 p.m. daily, so check regularly for openings. On the day of your test, arrive at least 30 minutes early and bring all required documents, including proof of insurance, vehicle registration, and a working car with valid plates and inspection. If you're under 25, you must also bring your driver education certificate and proof of completing the Impact Texas driving program. If you need to change your appointment, you can reschedule using the same online portal. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.